How to change your YouTube profile picture from a phone. If you go to your channel's YouTube page, you'll notice that you have a profile picture associated with your account. If you'd like to change this image, it also means that you have to change the image of your Google profile. The profile picture that's used for your Google account is used across all of Google's services, so by changing one, you affect the profile images of the rest of your services. If you're sure you want to do this, you can just select your profile icon in the top right-hand corner of the YouTube app, and just below your profile name, select Manage Your Google Account. From the tabs at the top of your screen, click Personal Info, and at the top of your profile options, you'll see your current profile picture. If you select the camera icon within your profile picture, you can choose to set your profile picture. Again, Google reminds you that this picture is visible across all Google services, so we know it will change our YouTube profile picture as well. You can then choose to take a new photo or choose one from your camera roll. We're going to choose one that we already have. Once you find the image you want to use, you can select it and then move the selection around to crop the image as you'd like it to appear. When you have that set, click Choose in the bottom right corner, and your profile image will have been updated. If we now close our Google account settings and close our YouTube app to refresh it, we can reopen it, and you'll see our new profile picture appear in the top right corner, and we can go back to our channel to see our change has been made. And that's how to change your YouTube profile picture from a phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.